In case you haven't heard about it, I wanted to make sure you were aware of the upcoming special meeting regarding Xactimate. This is going to be on March 20th, 2025 from 9 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. Pacific time. We're going to be examining Xactimate, and more specifically, we're going to be talking about the question of whether or not adjusters can dictate restoration charges. This is not going to be a typical webinar format. It's going to be more like a town hall, and I've assembled a team of experts to help address these issues, and it's going to be more like a roundtable group discussion. We are delighted that pricing guru and certified Xactimate trainer Ben Justesen will be joining us to share the contractor perspective. Former Allstate claims manager Jeff Taxier will be with us to share the insurance perspective, and I'll be sharing the legal perspective. We're going to talk about, for example, whether or not all of the Xactimate prices are actually updated every single month. Some adjusters seem to believe that is happening. Can adjusters use Xactimate prices as a cap or as absolute pricing? And if they do, what can you do about it? I really hope that you will join this important discussion with us on March 20, 2025, 9 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. Pacific time. You can sign up now at restorationcrosscheck.com/dictate. Thank you.